This is the second part to our video series for 6.03 coordinate geometry. And the second part is you're going to be exploring the triangle inequality theorem and filling out a worksheet. So I'm going to show you with the different Google directions how to do this. So let me begin. So the first thing you're going to do is I'm going to give you location between two places, and mine was from Concord, New Hampshire to San Francisco, California. I'm in Google right now in a search, and I'm going from Pennsylvania, Florida to Denver, Colorado. So I'm going to search the maps and show you how to do this. And I'm going to go to the flight one, and I'm going to zoom it out a little bit. It's a little hard to see, but we'll move it over a little bit. And I'm going to I want to be able to take this picture and put it in to my GeoGebra for this project. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the snipping tool. So I'm going to use my snipping tool, and I'm just going to snip from here to here. And I'm going to save it as on my desktop as capture. So it exists. I always do it the same way because I'm overwriting the same file again and again, so I don't have so much stuff on my computer. I'm going to open up my GeoGebra, and let me show you how to input it. You go down to your image, you click down, and here it is on my desktop capture. Now what I like to do and have you do is make this a background image for the full screen of GeoGebra. So let me show you how to do that. You go to your object properties. First thing you want to do is make it a background image. I usually make the opacity a little bit lighter so that it's not so dark so you can see what you're working with. And then position. Now if you have a Mac, this open box right here is really tiny, but it's the same thing. You write down the word corner, and then use the square bracket 1, enter. And then you do it the same for the next one. You write down the word corner, square bracket 2, and then corner 4. And you have to enter that. Now you're all set because now it's a background image taking up the whole GeoGebra screen. And now what you're going to do is the following. You're going to use your polygon tool to discover the triangle inequality theorem. Always go to the polygon tool in the counterclockwise direction, and I just want you to pick another city on the map. And so I'm just going to go with I guess I'll go with Albuquerque because I can pronounce it. So I'm going to go from Denver to Albuquerque, Pensacola, back for Denver. This is not going to be, and I'm going to change the color. This is not going to be scaled because in 6.05 we're going to discuss and learn about scaling. It's going to be really fun, and I hope you watch that video. So what we're going to be doing is I want you to find the distance of all the sides. And you're going to have these three distances. So actually it's kind of interesting. This distance and this distance, don't worry about this plane, just the triangle, they're similar but not the same. And then I want you to go through here and go find the interior angles. Because you did this polygon tool counterclockwise, you can click on the angles and get the angles right away. Then you're going to go back to your assessment and answer the questions. I hope this helps you. I hope you have a lot of fun. Thank you. I just fixed that. Thanks. Bye.